following are typically example of interference fit except letter C, which is crosshead slides, because crosshead slides need free movement, so they usually use clearance fit, not interference fit. So D, in bushes, beams, keys, spigos, or etc., either a clearance or an interference fit result when the mating parts are assembled, such as fit a small letter P transition fit, because it may result in either slight clearance or slight interference. And 459, in order to have interference fit, it is essential that the lower limit of shaft should be letter A, interference fit, because interference fit, the shaft must always be larger than the hole. So